All right, we also want to take a look at the tanks in our boat. The first thing that we can look at is what is our water tanks at. So see, it says water, you're going to press the water button, and it says O, which is French for water. Tank 1 is full. I'm going to press it again and go to tank 2. You can see this one is a little less than 3/4 full on tank 2. There's only 2 tanks, so you can just cycle back and forth between the 2 tanks. The next button you'll see right here is fuel. You can see carburant, that's French for probably diesel fuel, and then tank 2. They're both at the same, which is almost all the way full, so you can cycle back between those 2. Third button we have here is volts. So board is French for like the house bank of batteries. We have a very large house bank of 6 AGM batteries, and this number 14.0 tells us that we're plugged into shore power and our batteries are all charged up. You never want to let this number get below 12.0. And so just when you're not on shore power, when you're say on a mooring, always monitor this. If it gets to 12.0, just turn on your generator. Now we can look at the motor, the start battery as well. There's the battery that starts the generator, which would be the auxiliary battery. So there's 3 cycles in this one: house, motor to start your engines, and the auxiliary for the generator start. The great thing about having 3 separate banks is if you took down your house, a lot of older boats, you couldn't start your engines, which would be a problem, or you couldn't start your generator. With this system, which is a really good system, if we accidentally took our house all the way down, we could still start our engines, which would charge back up our house bank, or we could still start our generator. So you have, 3 backups to prevent you from losing all power, not being able to start back up, and having to call, vessel assist and get a tow. So probably not going to have to worry about that. So that's all with that.
Okay.